What's up, gang? Back with another one, and today, I'm about to be finally installing the carbon fiber LED steering wheel. The screws that's needed for the job before I actually start. I hate stopping when I'm doing a job. So, got everything I need. Let's get into it, gang. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, you should subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot of mods to my beautiful baby. As you see. So, subscribe. Alright? Gang, gang. Okay, so gang, the first thing we have to do is disconnect the battery. And that's a 10mm bolt. So let's go ahead and get that started. And this is a 2 right here. 2. And okay. Let's go take off the battery. Don't never forget to take off the battery. That's like the worst thing you could do. There go one of the holes right there. Right there. So I'm gonna get my, I got 2 tools I'm gonna try to use so I can feel for that push pin. And on this side. So yeah. I'll be back when the airbag's off. Hey gang, so this literally, I've been seeing a lot of videos. They're saying it takes an hour, 30 minutes, almost 2 hours. Some people already got one side loose. That was super easy. Now I just gotta go on this side and pop this side loose. So, let's see if I can prep the camera a certain way so you can see me pop it off. This literally didn't take no time. All right. Okay, gang. So now I'm gonna start removing all the wiring and hardware. Okay, gang. So all I did was took the same flathead screwdriver that I used to actually push the pins in. I just took it and pulled up on the tabs, just like so. Just pulled up on the tabs, just like that. Okay, gang. So this took a lot of force to actually get this bolt off. I had to use a metal bar with the opening in so I can use the breaker bar with the 10mm hex to break this. And I also needed a second person when I did this to actually hold the wheel, but I do have the bolt loose. So now we'll be taking this off, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it, show you guys me taking it off. All right, let's go, gang. Okay, so I removed all the bolts. So now I'm going to basically swap everything from here to here. Okay, so I removed the right side clutcher. And what I did was I just unbolted it and then unhook this clip. And I put that there. Now I unclip the black clip, and I'm gonna run this back through, just like this. Take it out from the back, and run it through the same way, right there. do the same thing here. Everything is almost all under the wheel. Just gotta bolt it down. Cut these wires, splice them into the power harness, which is this one. Okay, and I will be showing which ones I splice. Alright, let's go. So the new screws was a go. Already put it in this firm, solid, and it clips back on. So now I'm gonna do the other side. Pop right in place. This is the new screw. This is the size. And connect them to this black wire and this purple wire. Okay. See the purple wire is right there. Alright. Let's get into it. So far so good, so I just connected the black to the black. I didn't want to splice and add it, so I just got the connector, crimped it. Now I'm about to do the purple. Okay, gang. The hard work is done. I got both connectors in, the black and the purple side. So now I'm going to put it in and see if it works. Alright, what is she doing? Okay, let's go. Okay, gang. So now I'm about to install OHE and the connector plugs. That's what it's looking like. Okay, so I got that installed. Got the OHE and also got my taser. Okay, after I'm done with the install, I'm gonna just mount it up somewhere where you can't really see it. That's that. Now I gotta hook the battery up and connect this connector right here. And if this lights up, we're in to go. Okay, there we go. And again, we got the light, so the light means that it works. So let's just disconnect this. Disconnect the battery and install the airbag back with the bolt. Okay, this is going to be the first startup. Everything's back together. Let's see.